And Vishesha Dharma is, in order to nurture the Sahaja Dharma, I have to now, as a faculty of free will that I carry, I've got to learn the skill of choosing. How I choose with my faculty of choice actions that will reflect harmony inside and outside, that will reflect compassion, unconditionality, forgiveness. In these actions, that dharma which is samanya, when I choose in line with samanya, then it is called Vishesha Dharma. In our Vedika Parampara, we do not talk about values as absolute. My Guru made this clear like daylight. There are no absolute values. Values are universal, but they are relative in nature. They are universal and relative. When we say relative, they are contextual. And when they are contextual, they are interpretative, based on the civilization, the geography, the land, the time, the stage, the age, the activity. Many factors come into making the right choice with your faculty of choice. But when you finally choose, it must always align to this soul. In that soul, in that Samanya Dharma, sits your divinity. And therefore, when I choose with my faculty of choice actions and connect with this, I'm ever aligned in harmony. And so the principles of Samanya Dharma and the methods of choosing Vishesha Dharma is what forms this great tradition, this great society of spiritual India. Spirituality in India is not the privilege of a handful of people who do spiritual practices, please understand. It is a land which makes the society spiritual. The Vedic society is spiritual. A society where havans and yagas were done. A society which honored Varna Dharma, Ashrama Dharma. That was the model of taking every human being from Artha Kama pursuits to Dharma and Moksha pursuit. It was meant for one and all. And so that is the ideal society that Veda gave us. And so here, our appeal to the goddesses, I'm carrying a lot of weight because of my wrong decisions. Please show your compassion on me and help me cross. Okay, moving further. Patito dharini Janhavi Gange Khandita Girivara Mandita Bhange Bhishma Janani He Munivara Kanye Patita Nivarini Tribhuvana Dhanye Kalpalatamiva Phaladam Loke Pranamati Astvam Napatati Shoke Paravaravi Harini Gange विमुख युवती कृत तरलापांगे. Okay, we will stop here. Time is up. Om Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhake Sharanye Triambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.